Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an upper control arm on a Honda Accord. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface. Use a reliable floor jack to lift the front of the car, then place sturdy jack stands under the frame for safety. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Next, remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the front wheel, setting it aside. This gives you clear access to the suspension area, making the job much easier and safer to perform. Now let's get that old control arm out. Begin by locating the upper ball joint, which connects the control arm to the steering knuckle. Use a wrench to loosen and remove the castle nut, then carefully remove the cotter pin. A ball joint separator tool will help you safely pop the ball joint free from the knuckle. Finally, you'll find two bolts holding the control arm to the vehicle's frame. Remove these to completely free the old arm. With the old arm out, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new upper control arm with its mounting points on the chassis. Insert the two main mounting bolts and hand tighten them for now. We'll torque them properly later. Next, guide the new ball joint into the steering knuckle. Reinstall the castle nut and a new cotter pin, ensuring it's snug and secure. This step is crucial for proper steering and suspension function. Almost done. Now, it's critical to properly torque all the bolts. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for the exact torque specifications for the two frame bolts and the ball joint castle nut. Once everything is tightened, reinstall the wheel, ensuring the lug nuts are also torqued correctly. Carefully lower your vehicle. For optimal handling and tire wear, it's highly recommended to have a professional wheel alignment performed soon after this repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.